Okay, we're back here at the Green Park, flooded Green Park, and we're going to the store to buy some food for my mom and dad, and for my cousins. As you can see, we have to pass through this flood thing.
Kanina pa yung mga yan ah.
Even there are people upstairs, even in their rooftops. Narito tayo ngayon kasama si Paring Von.
Magandang hapon. Tanghali.
Ang kanyang bahay ay binaharan.
Oo. Grabe.
Ito binasag oh.
Hindi.
Hindi binasag yan.
Pag computer engine bumubukas. Talaga? Ito lahat. Ang dami na yung bukas kahapon. Ito, bukas din. Yung pag inano ba ng baha, pinasok, automatic
Anong oras ba yung tumaas yung baha dito?
Kahapon, mga alas 12:30 siguro.
Hindi kasi nakita namin, iba, ang tataas na yung mark nung putik.
Kayabang ka kasi wala basa nyo eh.
Tado!
Sa di marunong.
Ano ba? O sige. Bon, sige. Okay, I'm here at Green Park again. We just bought some goods for mom and dad. And here's the Lifeline. What organization are you?
Lifeline Ambulance Rescue.
Okay. Finally. Still, the subdivision is still flooded, and a lot of people are evacuating the place. An infant. 1 month old. Which street? Anong pangalan?
Angelus Street.
Angelus Street?
Yeah. Straight ahead.
Okay. Kasi I have a cousin there.